Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is the Tennant B5 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So if your dust skirt here, the felt has been worn down to the plastic, or it's just damaged and you need to replace it, super simple, this is how you do it. Just peel the old one off. Just like that. Now take your new one, start on one side. It's a little tricky. Just work your way around. You want to make sure that it is nice and secure, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.